In the previous video, we chose our ready-to-make card project and made sure we had all the necessary materials and accessories to move forward. In this video, we'll prep our mats, cut and score our design, and use a Cricut pen to write a sentiment. When you're ready, click Make It. Notice that our project is broken into 5 mats. That's because we're using 5 different colors of paper. Each color gets cut separately on its own mat. Position the paper for the first mat. Always align your cutting material to the upper left-hand corner of the mat. Click Continue. If you're using Cricut Maker, select Light Cardstock from the Set Material menu. If you're using a Cricut Explore machine, set the dial to Light Cardstock. Now, insert the scoring tool into clamp A, and make sure the fine point blade is inserted into clamp B. Then load the mat into your machine by clicking the Load/Unload button, and press Go when you're ready. When the first cut is finished, here's a great tip. Instead of peeling the paper off the mat to remove it, try flexing the mat and peeling the mat away from the paper. This technique keeps the paper from curling, not a good look for a card. Repeat this cutting and removing process for the next mat, and carefully follow the on-screen instructions. And just a heads up, on one of the mats, you'll be prompted to switch the scoring tool to a pen. When you get to your last sheet, you're ready for assembly, which is exactly what we'll do in the next video.